Valentine's Day paw print bowl? Fail. But my dog Buddy has something to say about it. You're gonna love this.
Woof! Welcome to Happy Place Creations by Connie. Okay, so my human mom tried to make something special for Valentine's Day, a paw print bowl just for us pet lovers. Look at this gorgeous sparkly red glitter border with that sweet pink heart and toe beans in the center. I mean, it's perfect for Valentine's Day, right? Well, here's what happened. Mom made this beautiful piece, and when she tried to shape it into a bowl, it broke. Total disaster. But you know what? Even us dogs know that mistakes are how you learn the best tricks. Mom's going to show you exactly what happened, why it happened, and what not to do so you don't make the same mistake she did. And here's the exciting part. She's not giving up on this piece. In a future video, she's going to show you how she transforms this disaster into something absolutely amazing. So stick around, learn from Mom's mistake, and watch for that future video where the magic happens. Now let's get started. Woof!
I've mixed up some Let's Resin epoxy, and I'm adding some gorgeous white sparkling glitter to really make those paw pads pop. Now I'm carefully filling in each of the paw print pads, the heart in the center, and all those cute little toe beans around it. And can we just take a moment to talk about how amazing Buddy was announcing my project today? I mean, wasn't he just the best? That face, those eyes. He's definitely getting extra treats after this. Oh, and stick around because later in this video, I'm going to do my happy dance. And trust me, you do not want to miss that. It's going to be good. Okay, back to filling these adorable paw pads with this sparkly white resin. Look at how pretty that glitter catches the light. All right, now that those white sparkly paw pads have fully cured, it's time to add that gorgeous red glitter border. I'm mixing up another batch of Let's Resin epoxy, and this time I'm adding some fine red glitter. And I mean fine glitter, because we want this to be smooth and sparkly, not chunky. Now I'm carefully pouring this beautiful red glitter resin into the rest of the paw print, filling in all that space around our white paw pads. Look at how that red just makes those white toe beans and heart pop. It's giving me all the Valentine's Day vibes. And now we wait. This needs to fully cure before we move on to the next step. Patience is key with resin, my friends. Okay. Wow, what a happy dance, wasn't that? I hope you all enjoyed that little clip. I had way too much fun with that one. All right, now let's get serious for a minute and demold this beautiful paw print piece. I'm carefully working it out of the mold. And look at this, the white sparkly paw pads, that gorgeous red glitter border. It's absolutely stunning. The colors are so vibrant, and that glitter just catches the light perfectly. Now, here's where things are about to get interesting. Let's move on to the next step. All right, here's where I messed up. So I had this brilliant idea to turn this flat paw print into a bowl, right? I thought it would be so cute, A little Valentine's Day bowl for pet lovers. But here's what I did wrong. I think I let it overcure. See, when you want to shape resin into a bowl, you need to catch it at just the right moment when it's still a little bit soft and flexible. But mine had cured too long, so it was completely hard and rigid. So when I tried to press it down into a bowl shape, shows the break. Oh no! What did I just do? It cracked. It broke. Total catastrophe. And this, my friends, is exactly why I'm showing you this. Because this is a real mistake that can happen, and I want you to learn from what I did wrong so you don't make the same mistake. If you're going to shape resin, you need to work with it while it's still in that flexible stage. Not after it's fully cured like I did here. But don't worry, this story has a happy ending. Stay tuned for a future video where I show you how I rescue this broken piece and turn it into something even better.
Woof! Hi everyone, it's me, Lulu. Thank you so much for joining my mom in this video today. And hey, Buddy got mentioned for getting extra treats earlier. Well, I'm closing this video, so I'm definitely getting a treat too. Fair is fair. Now, you definitely want to watch for that future video where mom is going to show you how she transforms this OH no moment into an absolutely amazing project. Trust me, it's going to be awesome. If you enjoyed today's video, please take a moment to share it, give it a like, and subscribe to the channel. It really helps mom out, and it means more fun crafting videos for all of us. And remember, we post new videos every Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday at 8 a.m., so mark those calendars. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Join my mom right here on the same crafty channel at the same crafty time. Woof!